Hello everyone and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host Alex and today's word is autonomy, a C1 level noun meaning independence or self-rule. Autonomy is the state of being self-governing or having the freedom to act independently. You might hear it in conversations about personal decisions, government, or even technology. For example, a teenager might seek greater autonomy from their parents. Let's look at some synonyms. We can use words like independence. For example, the country gained independence after years of struggle. Another synonym is self-government. The school promotes self-government among its students. Now for antonyms. We have dependence, such as a child's dependence on their parents. Another antonym is subjection. The prisoner lived in subjection to his captors. In everyday life, autonomy can be used when discussing someone's ability to make their own decisions or in discussions about freedom. For example, I value my autonomy at work, or the university grants students more autonomy in their studies. Here are a few usage examples. The project was designed to give teams more autonomy, or she has complete autonomy over her schedule. We also hear phrases like personal autonomy or regional autonomy. That's about it for today's word autonomy. It means independence or self-rule, and we explored its meaning through synonyms and antonyms. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps other language learners find the show. Now, I encourage you all to create your own sentence about autonomy and share it as a comment below the video.